Okay, welcome back. Today we're doing another tutorial on the Jacobsen Greens King Plus. It's a reel mower. This is just how to remove the actual reels. Alright, looking at the reel, you're going to have a cap on top. Remove this cap. Just pry up on it. Now you're going to have a pin sticking through here. And in order to slide this out, there's a locking nut right on the top. Stick an Allen key in there. Turn that locking nut. Slide that pin right out. Now all you got to do is you start your machine up and raise your reels, and this will slide completely off of there, and this will now be free. Then you can kind of push it out the other side over here, and you can proceed to take this motor off if you need to, if whatever you're doing requires that this come off. You can take this off before. It is here on the outside. It's easily accessible, but that is how you remove the reels. Now, some of these Jacobsens, depending on the year and the model that you have, they will not have this pin in there or this locking nut. It will just be a pin, and you have to bang it out. Just from past experience, some of those pins, if they get a little bit bent, they're really hard to bang out. So what you have to do is get yourself a little butane torch, and don't heat the pin up that goes in there. Heat this shaft up all around it. Heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, expand that, get this as hot as you can, and then tap your pin out. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, please hit subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm trying to get the subscribers up. I do videos daily. And see you guys later.